Hi, I'm Elmer Placencia with Paslode, here to show you the first to market cordless coil siding nailer for fiber cement and engineered wood. It's on Paslode's fuel and battery platform, which allows it to be as lightweight as possible. With the battery and fuel cell, this tool weighs in at about 6.5 pounds. All right, we're shooting the Paslode Cordless Siding and Fencing Nailer 1 7/8 galvanized nails into treated lumber pickets. Shooting the cordless siding fencing nailer into LP Smart Side. This gun comes in convenient fuel nail packs that you'll see here. Comes in aluminum and hot dip galvanized in 2 hot dip galvanized versions, 1 7/8 and 2-inch nails, and in the aluminum it comes in 1 7/8. Comes in 200 nail coils. Uses plastic coil nails, which eliminate wire flagging and stinging debris that you'll get with the 15-degree coil or metal coil nailers. So you feed it in like this, close it up, and then you're good to go. The 0-degree platform allows for significantly less jamming than 15-degree coil nailers and improves the speed of installation on the wall due to not having to set up and tear down compressors and being able to just drop in the battery and fuel cells, which allows you to get to work quicker and allows you to get the job done quicker. So thank you for your time and listening to this video. You can find these on Nail Gun Depot now and get one and try it out yourself.